If Krita is showing a memory error or an out-of-memory crash, it usually means the software is running out of allocated RAM, or your canvas and layer setup is too demanding for your computer. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Krita memory errors step by step, boost performance safely, and reduce strain on your system so you can keep working without constant crashes. And if this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes. All right, let's jump in. First, let's increase Krita's RAM limit. By default, Krita only uses about half of your system memory, so your operating system stays stable. That's normal, but if you're working on larger artwork, you may need to give Krita a little more room to breathe. Open Krita, then go up to Settings and click Configure Krita. If you're on macOS, go to Krita and then Preferences. Once the Settings window opens, look at the menu on the left and click Performance. Inside the Performance section, find the General tab and look for the Memory Limit slider. This is the setting that controls how much RAM Krita can use. Now carefully increase that slider to around 75 to 80%. That usually gives Krita more memory without pushing your computer too far. Do not set it to 100% because your operating system also needs RAM to function, and maxing it out can cause freezing or instability. After adjusting the slider, click OK to save the setting. Then restart Krita so the new memory limit can take effect. This one change alone can solve a lot of memory-related crashes. Next, let's look at your canvas size and document setup, because even with more RAM, an oversized project can still overwhelm Krita. If your canvas is extremely large, or if you're using a very high PPI, Krita has to store a massive amount of image data in memory. For most professional print work, 300 PPI is usually enough. For web artwork, you can often use 72 to 150 PPI. If your canvas is above 5,000 pixels on one side and your PPI is very high, that can create a huge strain on system memory. So if possible, reduce the canvas size to something more practical for your project. If you don't need a massive print resolution, lowering the document dimensions can make a big difference in performance. The goal is to keep the file as light as possible while still meeting your final output needs. Another important step is to flatten or merge layers. Every layer, filter mask, transparency mask, and adjustment can increase RAM usage, sometimes far more than people realize. If your project has dozens of layers, Krita has to keep all of that active in memory while you work. That's why large layer stacks can trigger memory errors so easily. A good workflow is to group elements that are already finished, especially background elements, and merge them when you no longer need to edit them separately. On Windows or Linux, you can use Ctrl and E to merge layers. On Mac, use the corresponding shortcut for your system. Just make sure you save a backup first if you think you might need to edit those layers later. Flattening or merging isn't always necessary, but when Krita is struggling, it can dramatically reduce memory load. Now let's talk about something a lot of people miss: free disk space. For the best performance, make sure your main drive has at least 20 gigabytes of free space. Krita and your operating system both use disk space for temporary files, caching, and virtual memory. If your drive is nearly full, performance can get worse and memory problems can happen more often. So if your drive is running low, delete unnecessary files, clear out old downloads, empty the trash or recycle bin, and free up space on the drive where Krita is installed or where your system stores temporary data. A little extra storage can go a long way when you're working with large creative files. If you've done all of that and you're still getting memory errors, it's a good idea to save your work, close other heavy applications, and reopen Krita with a lighter project. Browsers, video editors, games, and cloud sync tools can all consume a lot of memory in the background. The fewer programs running, the more resources Krita can use. So to quickly recap, the best way to fix Krita memory errors is to increase the memory limit to around 75 to 80%, keep your canvas and PPI at a reasonable size, merge layers when possible, and make sure your main drive has enough free space. Those 4 steps solve most memory and out-of-memory crashes in Krita. If this video helped you fix your issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more practical software tutorials. And if you want, I can also help you troubleshoot more Krita issues like lag, brush delay, or file export problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.